Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to create variables dynamically with user-defined names in JavaScript. The task is to create a variable dynamically, meaning the variable's names will be defined by the user or programmatically. We will also learn how to assign values and access the dynamically named variable. First, we declare a variable var name that holds the string abcd. This string will be used as the name for our dynamically created variable. We also define a value n to assign to it. Using this var name, we assign the value of n to a dynamically created property called abcd in the global context. Essentially, abcd becomes a new variable. Finally, we access the dynamically named variable using this var name. In this case, it will log 120, the value stored in ABCD. Here's the complete code for this exercise. We declare the dynamic variable, assign a value, and then access it using this var name. Here's the ES6 version, where we use const for declaring variables. This is the preferred way in the modern JavaScript for better scoping and immutability. And that's it. Now you know how to dynamically create and access variables using user-defined names in JavaScript. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript lessons.